Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be starting some painting on Bailey's car. Well, we're gonna try to do the bumpers and the side skirts, and then he's gonna prep the body, and hopefully we can get that painted soon. But I guess we'll see how far we get today.
Look at him. Alright, Bailey's gonna explain to us what we got.
Alright, yeah, exactly. This is totally, yeah, we got silk. This is the slick base. So you put this on the car.
Put it on the car, guys.
And this right here is the urethane. Right here. This one is another urethane activator. This activates that, right? This activates that, which activates that. That's what happens. This better not. Oh, frick. Now we can't paint the car.
Shoot, the cup is cracked.
And this is a clear coat. This is, you obviously put this after you put the black on, right?
He said right like you don't know.
Yeah.
And trust him, because he's been painting for
probably, well, how old am I? Probably like 15 years.
Okay, give us a quick update on your bodywork that you got going on.
Alright. So I'm gonna just, I don't know if this is gonna show up in the paint, but I'm just.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It feels good.
Because you know what? I was saying, like, it's not, I'm not gonna enter a freaking car show. What am I?
A car show person?
Yeah, what am I? A car?
I'll read. I put a layer of this sauce on it down.
Yeah, I was like, oh.
You're like, oh.
Yeah, I thought I sanded this. Yeah, I gotta sand that, but honestly, so apparently, so update for me as well. We're square one. So like, yeah, we just.
I guess we just put Bondo on everything that I already sanded.
Yeah.
I just put a light coat so that way we can smooth it all out.
Yeah, so as for the body, pretty much straight.
Yeah, the body is actually pretty straight.
Pretty straight.
Surprisingly, just pretty much just the fenders and the bumpers.
Yeah, and I don't know if Serge just leaves the holes.
I would just leave the holes.
Sand it around here, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna sand it.
Honestly,
because he's gonna put the wing back on, but he's gonna run it without the wing for a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go finish up on the prep. We should be spraying it in the next day or two. Cross our fingers, but we'll see. We'll see how we get with the bodywork, because
it's just the bumpers.
Yeah.
The bumpers is the only thing that's kind of like.
I have it in the sun waiting for the fiberglass to dry, and then we'll jump on it. It's not that bad, honestly. It's an easy fix. I don't know. We'll see. We'll get back to you guys in a little bit.
Mix the paint. Plain. Okay. So.
Right there on the ground.
That's why I love doing stuff at Blaine's house, because you just find the tools around you.
It's wherever you need it to be, bro.
Yeah, so this is. Whoa! Almost spilled.
The whole thing.
Yeah. Nah, that would have been nuts, bruh. So, what do I pour it? Pour it from here into you?
Easy. Oh my god. Wait, spilling?
Hey, Christine didn't even tell me it's spilling. No.
So.
Christine, what happened there? No biggie. Damn it, Christine.
Okay, pour it. Just pour a little bit so it doesn't go off the sides.
or we ruin our mixing station.
Is it perfect?
It's pretty perfect because if you're a beginner, you wouldn't normally mix paint as well as this, so don't even like be sad about it. So we're gonna go inside and watch videos while he paints this. And just like that. Yeah.
Go, Bailey. Are you okay?
Phil, I swallow it and mock it. I mock it. It looks good. It looks good for the amount of body work I did.
Yeah.
Which is not a lot. Looks sick. Sick. It's gonna be the first black car I ever had.
We just pushed the shell out, so we're gonna go ahead and prep this car for paint. Hopefully we get it painted today. If not, we'll get it all prepped today and we can spray it early tomorrow.
So Blaine just told me to paint the second coat and it looks super good. This part that was messed up over here is starting to go away. Hopefully the clear will help it a little bit more, but it looks super nice.
Oh wow, huh?
That seems like a lot to be too. Yeah. Oh, so clear.
That's what it is.
That's what it is.
That's what it is. How'd you know?
Just guess.
Whoa, bro. Wait, let me see this. Oh, look at that run! Look at that run, man.
Because the mirror. Because I tried to shoot it under the mirror, and I guess I shot it too heavy.
So is that gonna stay there for a bit?
No.
Oh.
We're gonna sand it out. It's just in the clear.
This is not done yet, though. But
Yeah.
it looks good. Oh, look at this one! Oh my gosh, dude.
Just leave it like that.
No. Hey, this one came out good, though. It looks
What?
good.
What is that from? Is that from?
That's my bodywork. Oh, you mean this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my bodywork.
Good job.
Yeah, cause.
I'm just
But I like it. It looks good. It's just the runs. Yeah,
So-
it looks good.
Yeah, so this is like, you can tell, like,
You can tell. Like,
when you don't do bodywork good, you can see it in the
Yeah.
paint.
But you know what?
It's a learning experience.
Yeah, that looks good. I mean, I'm not gonna be too like you know. Oh, dude! Ah, that was my thumb. Oh,
He touched it! Dude, that's why I told you, don't touch it.
all right, guys, let's go look what she did. Oh my gosh! Okay, just why did I just do that? Taking.
Alright guys, so we just finished painting the car. We're gonna grab some food right now and we're gonna go have some fun because we've been working hard these past couple days. Out here, yo.
You wanna see my trick, babe?
Yeah, let's see it. Yay.
Yes. That's what I'm saying.
No.
How do I get down?
Just come down. I'll hold you. Go.
Go. Push your foot forward. The other foot forward. Do a jump right here. Dude, I oh, okay, wait. How do you do that? How do you do that? Oh, here you go. Yeah. Go do the kick.
Ooh. Show him the bottom. Show him the bottom. Oh, brand new.
Oh, you wanted to know how to do this one, baby? No. You want to see expert level?
Okay. Show me the expert level.
Alright. You ready?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna serve Bailey right now.
I can do that. These are too scary to try stuff like that.
It looks like Venom from Spider-Man.
That's like a weird way to say it. It looks cool, but it's pretty cool. It does look like Venom though now.
But in a cool way.
Yeah, in a cool way. Venom's cool.
Not in a Spider-Man way.
Spider-Man. Bailey Spider-Man. This side looks good. Like this side actually doesn't even look bad at all. Like I was tripping. Like this side had all the primer and it had all the scratches from the 60 grit.
Yeah.
And all the scratches and all the primer and everything.
And this side looks way better.
And this side
than
looks way better. Yeah. I'm gonna put on the side skirts and the bumpers and the lights and we're gonna air it all the way to the floor.
The floor.
Crack the fenders again.
Yeah, to the floor.
Yeah, guys, so Bailey's happy with it. We're tired. We had a long day, as you guys can see, and we did some extracurricular activities today. But yeah, we're gonna put it together in the next video, so make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace out and stay good.